Welcome back to Scorpion, and as you can see, this is our brand new F66 Mini. We've developed a rear diffuser for the car, which you'll see in another video coming out shortly. The reason for the new wrap on the car is because you may be aware, you may not be aware, for the last 11 years we've been supporting the Mini Challenge series, and we're excited to go into the new year with a new look. So let's fire it up and show you what it sounds like. So you've heard what the car sounds like. Let us know in the comments below what you think of it. And if you're at a BTCC event this year, be sure to tag us on all of our social media of the car firing around the track at one of the rounds.